Hello, welcome back for lesson number 32. I put a title called Hue. Today we're going to cut a hue shape profile. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and then continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. What we're going to do is that we're going to double click the part and then continue to the sketch mode again. So go into the sketch mode, select the plane and then click OK. With that, we use the line function to draw 3 lines as display. Click OK. We're going to use the power trim to trim away all the unnecessary lines. Use a quick dimension to put in the dimension. And we're going to connect again using the line function to connect the 2 points. Click OK. We continue to draw a circle. This is to show that where is the starting point of the tool, and also want to reduce the travel time to the ending point. Click OK. Then we use the power trim again to take away the last path from the line going to the original starting point. Delete the circle. Exit. Go into the cam plane. Copy the previous operation because we're going to use the same tool anyway. Right mouse click, paste, and then remove the profile because we need to change into the latest created profile. Then I realized that I forgot to update the status. Now we can do it again to make sure that we need to have the latest part update. Okay, we add the profile, create profile, and then click OK. With that, we select 3 curves as display, click OK. Then you make sure the direction is okay, pointing down. So we want to cut a triangle, almost a triangle toolpath. Click OK. Right mouse click, edit. We just need to change this and update the color. I put a magenta, calculate. You can see that the profile is generated, the toolpath is created, and we try to verify. Looks good. After we set the G54, the Z minus 14.5 is the depth. Click OK. Then click OK again. We go for the solid verified. Looks good. The profile has been cut away. We do not have another bulge out area that need to handle. Use analysis. Still have material for finishing cut. Looks good. Okay, we save the file and then let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, hide it and collapse it. Double click, go into the sketch mode, select the plane. Okay, we go into the sketch mode using the line. I'm going to zoom this area up. This one, go horizontal. And we're going to do another one here to here. And we're going to do another one here to here. Click OK. So use the power trim. Take away. Quick dimension. Here to here is 3.8. Okay. Here to here is 4. Okay. Here to here is 3.5. Okay. Close. Draw a line again. Connect these 2 points. Close. Draw a circle. Radius is 2.5. Center point here. Okay. Power trim. Take away this line. Take the circle. Delete. And we're done. Exit. Go into Cam Plan. Because now I remember, so I right mouse, update the status component. Okay. Right mouse, click, copy, paste. We remove the profile, create a new one, create profile. Okay. Now we're gonna flip the part. Select the curve 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Direction is correct. Pointing down. Okay. Right mouse click, edit. Nothing to change. And we need to change the lead. This is 2. Color. Magenta. Calculate. Looks good. Verify. Set the frame to G54. Drag the toolpath. Z minus 14.5, correct. Click OK. We click OK again. Now we go for the solid verify. Okay, we can do this by reduce a bit the speed. Play. Looks good. Let us do the analysis. Zoom it up. Enough material for finishing cut. Yes. Do we touch any wall? No. Looks good. Yep. All the corner. Okay. We save the file for the next lesson. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I see you again at the next lesson. Bye bye.